Hi there. This is Alex from Essential Web Apps. And, in this video, we will learn how to remove the background of an image in Figma. We can remove the image background in Figma in two different ways. One is really easy and simple, but another one is a bit difficult but way handier for complex background. But before we get into it, we make videos regularly. If you want to see videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. So, let's go to Figma. Let's start with the masking technique. And, beginning with a simple one. I just want to remove the background table of this plate. So, let's take a circle, about the size of the plate. Now, select both and make it a group. Now, select both from the Layer tab. Then click this button here, which says Use as Mask. And you are done. If you want, you can add some shadow on it to look a bit more realistic. Looks pretty good. Let's move on to the next picture. Okay, now, here, I want to remove the sky and trees. But want the car with the road into the picture. As you see, it's a bit more complex. So, we are going to use the pen tool here. As it is a bit complex, so, you should take your time with it. Okay, it is good for now. Let's fill this with this paint bucket tool. Done. Now, make a group. Into the group, pull the vector layer, under the image layer. Now, repeat as previous. Looks very nice. Now, you can adjust the vector if you need to. You just have to double click on the vector shape. Now, let's move on to the easiest way. For this, we need to install a plugin called Remove BG. Just click on this Figma icon. Click on the Community tab. And search for the plugin named Remove BG. Then install this one. Now, right-click on the image. Go to Remove BG and set the API first. You just have to do this one time. You will find the simple instruction here. My one is already set. So, I will just click Save. Finally, all you have to do, right-click on the image and run the Remove BG plugin. It might take a few seconds, depending on the complexity and image size. But it will do a good job, and save your time a lot. But this plugin comes in handy for simpler images. But not for complex background removing like this one. So, there you go. What's else you want to know about Figma? Let me know in the comment section. And, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, I will see you in the next video.